I've always loved the name of this award. Wouldn't it be wonderful if every judge was a servant of justice? Kate, thank you for those lovely, lovely words. And thank you to all of my other law clerks who are here tonight. The tide that binds judges and their law clerks together is mighty strong indeed. Thanks also to the Servant of Justice Honoree Committee and to its chair, John Relman, one of Washington's finest and most dedicated lawyers. And to everyone in that amazing video, Damon, Robert, Seth, Kelsey, Tiffany, Vikram, and Kate again. I've already planned a screening for the grandchildren. And Debo, what a treat to share this evening with you. Your arguments in the Supreme Court in Northwest Austin and Shelby County were masterful. But the judicial die was cast against you, which is not how our courts are supposed to work. Now that I've retired, people have begun asking, you sat on the DC Circuit for 30 years. You heard thousands of cases. What was your favorite? They're always surprised when my answer isn't the big headline cases. They're even more surprised when I tell them that my favorite cases were the ones argued by public interest lawyers, civil rights lawyers, and especially legal aid lawyers. Why? Because thanks to those skilled and devoted lawyers, even though their clients were disadvantaged in many ways, they stood before my court on equal terms with powerful, well-represented corporations and government agencies, presenting their claims to a tribunal empowered to provide a complete remedy. On those days in my court, the rule of law was alive and well. But alas, that's not how it works for most poor people. Most poor people, indeed over 90%, have no access to the legal system at all. It's a bedrock American principle that we all enjoy the same rights, from the lofty, like the right to speak freely, to the more mundane, like the right to accurate Social Security and welfare payments. Rights are hollow promises if people can't access our legal system to vindicate those rights. How can we as a society insist that all people use the courts to resolve their disputes with each other and with their own government, yet deny some access to the very legal system we insist they use? The rule of law cannot survive if it works only for the wealthy, which is why events like this are so important. Every dollar we give to Legal Aid DC is a dollar for the rule of law. Attorney General Robert Kennedy said as much at the University of Chicago Law School. I was there as a very young first-year law student, and his words have inspired me ever since. Only when we have created, in fact, a system of equal justice for all, the Attorney General declared, will our profession have lived up to its responsibilities to make law not only the guardian, but the agent of freedom. I am truly honored to accept this award from Legal Aid DC. Thank you.